Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the odds of winning Euro Millions. Now, Euro Millions is a lotto style game that is played in a number of Western European countries. And the object of the game is you've got 50 numbers and you've got to correctly select 5 out of 50 in the main number section, and then you've also got to select 2 numbers in the lucky star section. And if you happen to select the 5 numbers in the top section and 2 numbers in the bottom section, then you win first prize and you win a lot of money. So today I'm going to show you how to calculate the odds of doing that, of winning Euro Millions, winning the first prize. And I've done a little sort of a coupon here to kind of help you understand how the odds are calculated, or how to calculate the odds. And what I'll do on this sort of my coupon template, Euro Millions coupon template, is I'll randomly select 5 numbers in the top section and then 2 numbers in the bottom section, and hopefully that helps you understand how to calculate the odds. So when you're there and you're watching the draw, there's in the first section, they do the first section first, and there's 50 balls in the barrel for the first section. And so when the first ball drops, then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, you've got 5 chances in 50 balls of getting the first number correct, and I'll just randomly circle one of those numbers to show that you've matched that number. And then when the second ball is drawn, then you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 chances. So you've got 4 numbers left, you've got 4 chances, but now there's only 49 balls left in the barrel because one's already come out for the first number, so there's 49 balls left in the barrel. So you've got 4 chances in 49 of matching the second ball that is drawn, and I'll mark off one of those numbers. And because it doesn't matter what order the balls are drawn, then you can mark off anyone you like, I suppose. Okay, so the third ball's drawn. You're left with 1, 2, 3 chances, and now there's 48 balls left in the drum because 1, 2 balls have already been drawn. 2 balls have already been drawn. So 3 chances in 48 of correctly picking the third ball. And now when the fourth ball's drawn, you're only left with 1, 2. You've got 2 balls left. You've got 2 chances in, and three balls have already been taken from the drum. So you're left with 2 chances in 47. And mark off one of those numbers. And then when the last ball's drawn, then you have 1 chance there in 46 because you've got 1 ball left, and there's 46 balls left in the drum for the machine to choose from. So there we go. So that's the odds then of selecting 5 correct numbers in the main number section in Euro Millions. Is that formula, which is 5 on 50 times 4 on 49 times 3 on 48 times 2 on 47 times 1 on 46. And what I'll do is I'll multiply that out. I'll do the top line first and then the bottom line, so we can express that as a more meaningful number. So we'll do the top line first, and hopefully you can see my calculator. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is, that's 120 is the top row. And then the bottom row, which is the 50 times 49 times 48 times 40 times 47 times 46, and I multiply that out, so it's 50 times 49 times 48 times 47 times 46, and that's the huge number of 254,251,200. So it's 120 chances in 254,251,200. And we really want to express that as one chance in something. So what we'll do is we'll divide that number by 120 on 120. And it's the same as dividing by 1. And what that'll do is we divide the top by 120 and the bottom by 120. Then we'll be able to express that as a number, one chance in a certain amount. Okay, so 120 divided by 120 is 1, and then 254 million odd. Divide that by 120 as well. And it's a more respectable number of 2,118,760. So therefore, the chances of actually correctly, this is for one coupon, of correctly picking 5 numbers out of the 50 in the main section is one chance in 2,118,760. Now the next step is the lucky stars. So once those 5 numbers are drawn, then they go into the next barrel where they've got 12 balls in it, and you've got 2 numbers that to come out, or 2 numbers to choose from. And so the chances then of you selecting one of those 2 numbers when the first number is drawn is 2 chances in 12. So it's the same principle as the top section, but we're just doing it with different numbers, I suppose. So there we go, 2 chances in 12, 1, 2, and 12 numbers of getting the first number in the lucky stars, and there we go. And so when the second ball's drawn, you've got 1 chance left, and there's 11 balls left in the barrel, so it's 1 chance in 11 of correctly picking or correctly selecting that second number from the ones that are drawn. And we just multiply that out. 2 times 1 is 2, and 12 11s are 132. And then we'll simplify that again to make it a number, one chance in a certain amount. And we divide that by 2 over 2, which is the same as dividing by 1. Divide each side by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 132, do this in my calculator, 132 divided by 2 is 66. Okay, so therefore, then this is the last step, is to get the 5 main numbers and the 2 lucky star numbers is 1 chance in 2,118,760 multiplied by 1 chance in 66. And we multiply that out. Obviously 1 times 1 is 1, and then 66, yep, multiplied by 2,118,760, and so you can see it equals 1 chance in 139,838,160, and that's our final answer. So the odds of correctly, if this is for one coupon, correctly picking 5 numbers out of 50 and 2 out of 12 is 1 chance in 139,838,160. And if I've printed out from the Euro Millions page on the UK Lottery website, where they show that match 5 numbers plus 2 lucky stars is 1 chance in 139,838,160, which is exactly the number that I've got down here. So there we go. That's how to calculate the odds. Euro Millions. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.